Rolling trains and trucks and whining cars, rain and black smoking through the night. The stars, darkness falls and the lights are broken. Chimneys from the factories start up smoking. They hide their filth in the night, pretend that what they're doing is right. Money flows and fills their pockets. Children cry with red eye sockets. Industrial revolution claimed it would be poverty's solution. Now hunger and fear fill the land, where the people have to beg with open hand. Wealthy people exult as cities rise upon clouds of poison in the skies, partying as they pay too much. Food, drink, rent, and such. Laughing happy well folks sucker the poor and take mental notes about late-night TV talk show hosts. Swap propaganda and jokes. Unions and associations are pushed down, while rich bankers count with evil sound. Money, 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 stocks and bonds, throwing down paper like palm fronds. Alcohol flows like water, fuel city and roadway slaughter. It's a public health emergency created by the selfish and their currency. When water is priced like beer, water companies gouge without fear. Brewers make it all then some, while poor seek every crumb. It'll be alright, they say. All you got to do is pay, pay, pay. If you don't like it, just sue. They call it the evil-like industrial revolution, claimed it would be poverty's solution. Now hunger and fear fill the land, worker people have to beg with open hand. Wealthy people exult as cities rise upon clouds of poison in the skies, partying as they pay too much. Food, drink, rent, and such. Laughing happy well folks sucker the poor and take mental notes. Oh notes about late-night TV talk show hosts. Spew out propaganda and jokes about late-night dinner and jokes are pushed down, flushed down a fatal sound. While it's at the paper and all such. Food, break paper like palm fronds. Alcohol flows like water, fueling city and roadway slaughter. It's a public health emergency created by the selfish and their currency. When water is priced like beer, water companies gouge without fear. Brewers make it all then some, while poor seek every crumb. It'll be alright, they say. All you got to do is pay, pay, pay. If you don't like it, just sue. If you don't like it, just sue.